Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to check email on Facebook by which you created your Facebook account. I will show you step by step how to do it, and I will show you also other methods how to check email in other use it. Okay, so first what you need to do is log in on your account. Later you need to go click here and you click on settings and privacy, and again in settings. Okay, and now we click on the account settings, and as you can see we have here email. It is email, and you will check, and you will also here change another email or mobile number. Okay, and it is yet other method how to check somebody email, and also you must go on the about person and click on the contact and basic info, and as you can see here you have email, and it is on every account on Facebook profile. You need to go on profile person and you click on the about and contact and basic info, and here you may check. Sometimes is option that for others it's no exist here, only for creator of profile, because he set it as for only him or friends, not public. Yes, you know the thing. That's all. Okay, and that's all. I will show you how to doing. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.